My name is Wonsugochukwu Alfred, and folks call me the Online Millionaire because I teach people how to make money using the internet. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to make money on Binance with 0 naira or $0. Basically, how you're going to be making money without investing a dime. Okay, and the model we're going to be using is the affiliate marketing model, using Binance as our major tool towards achieving that. So once you log in into your Binance account, the next thing you need to locate, if you're going to be doing affiliate, earning money through Binance. And by the way, you can earn up to $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, depending on how well you do this. And this money can come in a very short while, depending on how well you do it. So the most important thing is that you will understand what traffic means and how you can access traffic for yourself. So if you're able to put this in the face of 1 million persons, or you're able to put this in the face of 2 million persons, or you're able to put it in the face of 5 million persons, and at the end of the day, the 5 million persons, you have just about 500,000 persons converted. That is clicking on your link to set up an account and fund it. Or you have even 100,000. Okay, not just that, some of the persons who are converting might end up funding $100,000 straight, $10,000 straight, $20,000 straight, $1,000 straight, $500 straight, depending on their financial capabilities. Whatever they are funding, at that point you get some cut of it, depending on what the company stipulates. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Once you log in into your Binance, the next thing you need to do is to come to your your profile, this image here, this icon here with a human head is the profile. So you can see that this account is verified, but it's my training account. I use it for training. So when you come here, you see that it's verified. The next thing you need to do is to come down to referral, because what you need to do is to refer people. Okay, another way you can also do that is to scroll down and come to, that is, if you have not actually set up your referral account, you have to scroll down to this place. Under services, you see referral. If you have not set up your referral account, it will bring you here to create a referral account. So I will just assume that you have not set up your referral account. So I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do to set it up. But under here, I have set up 2 referral accounts that is supposed to pay 20%, okay, to me fully, and 0% to the people that I refer to the system. But there's a way I can also get 10% and let them have 10%, or get 15% and let them have 5%. So let's get straight to it. Let's pretend like there is no referral link here, okay, that you are just coming and you need to set up a referral account. So you see it says invite friends and crypto together, earn up to 40% commission every time you refer friends to make a trade on Binance. So I'm going to be coming to this place, okay, to generate your link. So it's saying generate your link. So I click on it. So now that I've clicked on it, you can see that we have a box, a pop-up here, and it says generate your link, your base commission rate 20%, set friends commission rate, commission kickback rate. Okay, so you see here you have 20% you receive, 0% friends receive. Okay, so if I don't want this friend to receive anything, let the friend be at 0%, I'll simply click at generate link at 0% for friend. But I can decide to give my friend, the person I'm referring, 5%, so I get 15% instead of 20%. I can also decide to give my friend 10%, okay, so that my friend gets 10% of whatever they are doing and I get 10%. So it's a matter of choice. Then of course I can also decide to say, let me take the whole 20%. And if I'm taking the whole 20%, I can also decide to say set this as a default invitation code. If I do that, it's going to come tops over these other 2 existing links referral links that I have created earlier. Okay, so I'm not going to do that because I have this as the default referral code for this, so I'm going to be removing this. So I'm setting another one. Okay, I have 2020 there, so let me just set this and give this person 15, so that you can see that I have one that I've set for a friend to receive 5%. So if I use this link, the friend will be getting 5%. So I click on generate your link and the link has been created. So you see success. So this P62XNLSR is the new link for 15% that I receive and 5% that my friend receives. So if I go under here, you're going to see the very first referral link that I created. So this one has been set at default. Okay, this default link, and this default link is at 20% I receive and 0% friend receive. And this other one, 30308, is at 20% I receive, 0% friend receive. But the new one that I just created is 15%. That is P62XNLSR. 15% I receive and 5% friend receive. So you can scroll down and see the people that have clicked on the link, because I have not been promoting it. Okay, so commission history, if I have earned any commission here, you are going to be seeing it, and if you have earned any commission yourself, you are going to be seeing that commission shared with you. Okay, so there's really nothing much to it. So if I want to get I want to share this now, all I need to do is, let's assume that I want to share this. All I need to do is to copy this link and share on Facebook, on WhatsApp, or wherever. Okay, if I want to invite, I just go here, this link I want to share on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and wherever I want to share it. But that's not what we are here for. Okay, so I'm going back to that place. I'm going back to the referral. If you click on invite now, it's going to take you the other place here too. You can change the format of this banner, the dimensions. I click 1:1 ratio and 16. If I'm putting this on a video, I will likely go with this. If I'm putting this on Facebook or wherever, I can use this. Okay, on a website I can decide to use this, put it by the sidebar. So I can decide to save all of this. I can decide to save all of this and scroll here, take this other one. So depends on what you want to achieve. So these banners, you are going to use them. Don't create your own banner for Binance. Maintain their brand, please. Don't, if you are promoting any company, don't create stuff for them. Maintain what the company have designed, so that you don't derail from their brand, from the brand image that they are building. So that's why they have made these things available for you. I can come down and set this as default and say set it at default. So I set this as, this is a default, so that's why you are not seeing anything. It's my default. So I can copy the link. So that's how we get this done here. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to go to so we go to bit.ly.com, app.bit.ly.com. I click on create and I paste the long link here. So it's gonna create the shortened link for me here. So this is the shortened link, bit.ly bit.ly 3ydp 93t. So I can title it, I say create a free Binance account. So I can just say remove this, create a free Binance account. I say my Binance Binance AFF, meaning my Binance affiliate. So I say save. So this is the link. This link shortener also comes with a tracker that will tell you how many people that have clicked on the link and where they are coming from. So with that, we come to the end of this particular video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn up the notification okay, so that whenever I publish a new video, you can get your hands on it quickly and get the info in the video so that you can grow your business with that information. So from here for now, it's going to be bye, and I remain your friend who wants to go to Alfred, and folks call me the online millionaire because I teach people how to make money using the internet. Thank you.